You're a brand new police officer. You're working in a predominantly black neighborhood. You're white. This is the setup. You want to make inroads in the community because one of the biggest gripes from people in the community is that police officers don't spend enough time in the community. They don't make connections with people in the community. They just ride around with the windows up. So here's what you do. You find the blackest store you can find in your community. The blackest store you can find. And you go in there every day that you're working and you buy a water. I mean, you could buy some food because food's gonna be good. You could buy some chicken and JoJo fries, whatever, and give it to someone homeless if you don't want to eat it. But what you do is you go into an establishment and you spend your money. What you're showing them is that you as a police officer are willing to give your money back and put back into this community. Because here's what's gonna happen. First couple times you go in there, nobody's even gonna speak to you, right? Person behind the register, people in the store, they're gonna be looking at you funny like, what's this police officer doing in here? They never come in here. The more you go, somebody's gonna smile at you. Somebody's gonna say hello. Somebody's gonna hold a door for you. You hold a door for someone else too. And then out of the blue, you're gonna see what's gonna happen. Watch this. Someone's gonna approach you, whether in the store or out of the store, and they're gonna ask you a police-related question. And here's an opportunity. This is your break. This is your big break. Here's the opportunity for you to educate someone on how the law really works and to have a conversation. Not to get offended by what they say, not to be offended by the question that they're asking you, but for you to really give someone some insight into what we do. And as you continue to go in that store, you know what's gonna happen? You're gonna start making friends. You're gonna have your black friends. You're gonna be people in the neighborhood. So that when you go to different houses and make different traffic stops, people are gonna know who you are. And they're gonna know you legit because you've had a conversation with them. As a white police officer working in a non-white neighborhood, your goal is to be like Jake from Training Day and to have them treat you like Jake from Training Day. Because Drake had the respect of the neighborhood. Why? Because he actually cared and he was fair. I just gave you the game. I just gave you the insight that you need to start to build relationships within your community. You're welcome.